Hello crypto cats, my name is Tom, I am the crypto investor, and today I wanted to do a short video walkthrough on how to buy POKT. Okay, so at the moment POKT is only available on secondary markets. That means that you have to buy it through these secondary markets, and you can't buy it on any exchanges right now. We think that's about to change quite shortly with Binance, but that's just rumors at this moment. So what you need to do is go to this website, which is linked below in the description, which is forum.pokt.network. And they list all of the, accredited or pre-vetted over-the-counter sellers who you can buy and sell your POKT on. So I've personally used Stardesk, and I know a number of people that have used Thunderhead. I'm not familiar with Sub-Zero. I'm sure they're perfectly fine, but I haven't been through that process. And I know some people that have used Jamso. I believe this is only for people who are non-US residents. So as I said, Stardesk and Thunderhead is where I've been. Now, before we get going, the first thing you need to do is to set up a POKT wallet. As I said in my last video, POKT is a blockchain in itself, so you can't send it to your MetaMask. It's not ERC20. It's built on the Cosmos network, but it is a blockchain in its own right. So you need to set up your own wallet to store it, and you do that at wallet.pokt.network, link below as well. So you go through that process, make sure that you securely save your JSON file that they will give you and your private passphrase, and they will allow you access. Of course, this is decentralized investing. If you lose your access to your wallet, no one's coming to help you. So you have to be very, very careful in safely securing those details. It's fairly straightforward. You just go create, put in a password, it sends you the file. You've just got to make a note of them, okay? All right, so we've done our wallet. Let's go back to these secondary markets. First one I'll look at is Thunderhead. So the first thing to tell you, by the way, is that both of these charge a 5% commission on every purchase. It's quite steep, but it's worth it in my opinion, and it's the only options we have available right now. So again, if you hadn't done this before, it seems quite sketchy because it's done through Telegram. So you click here on their Telegram channel, and yeah, we say that's fine, open our Telegram. And it's going to present you with their Telegram channel. And at the top here, you have pinned messages. And so if you want to buy, it says, here you go, the process. All buyers should go to the bot first. So we click on the bot. And then it's going to take you through the process of how to do it. So what you have to do is do /start. And then it will take you through it gives you this, and then you need to go /KYC, and you share some details about yourself and do a KYC. Then you go /buy, and it does the buying menu. And so this is basically the process of doing it. And I know it's very unusual and very unnatural, but from everyone I've spoken to has done it. It's been fairly straightforward, and you will basically be given an address to send some USDC to, and then you will send your POKT wallet address and receive your POKT. So that's that process with Thunderhead. The other way, so Thunderhead is great if you are buying, a smaller amount. If you're buying under 15,000 POKT, so under $40,000. So for most people, I imagine Thunderhead is the approach that you will go through. For larger options, there is Stardesk. And Stardesk, I've used this a couple of times and found it to be very straightforward. So you can see the price of POKT here. Obviously, we've been going through this fairly exponential phase. We are now kind of plateauing a little bit for the last couple of days at $2.60. And here you can see these are basically people who request to buy. So this is people who are ready to sell. So if I want to buy immediately, what have I done there? If I want to buy it immediately, I would click on this and I'll go to buy after I've set up my account, obviously, and with your telephone two-factor authentication. So I would click buy here, and then I'll receive an email, and they will confirm my intention to purchase, and then you will send them some USDC, a test transaction. They will then confirm it, you send the balance, and then they send you the POKT. It's a trust system, but as I said, I've done it, and it's absolutely fine. The commission of 5% does drop if you are buying even larger amounts. I think over $40,000. So actually I think it is just under 5% right now for the minimum purchase. So you obviously looking at these, like you probably don't want to buy 25,000. You might want to buy enough to set up one node, so around 15,100. And so you would go, okay, I want to buy. So I would click account and I would say I want to buy it. So I have a buy order here, which I can delete because it seems to have already been out of date. And then I can say add buy order, and then you go through the process of basically saying the amount that you want to buy, your address, quantity, etc., etc. As the market's been so buoyant, none of these requests to buys have actually gone through for me. I've always ended up having to effectively say, I'll buy these ones which are on offer, rather than making a request to buy, if that makes sense. Now, there's one other thing to understand with this, which is that you can see these, there's this staking node hosted option. So you can either buy the straight Pocket, or you can buy a pre-made node, which is ready to go. That's good in that you queue jump effectively, because right now there's a 10-day waiting period to get new nodes added, because there's such demand and backlog, and the engineers are going like crazy to get it all done. But the downside is that you will be paying 35% commission with C0D3R for them to host your node, which I find is a little steep. There are cheaper options, and my next video will talk about the different node options. They get very good returns. They're very well reviewed, well respected. They do, if you're doing 5 nodes with them, it's, I believe, $300 per node per month, and they don't charge the 35%. But if you want to do it like this, just be aware that that's what this means. So that's it really for now. I hope you found that useful. I will follow up with another video shortly about choosing your node provider, and that's that. All right, happy investing, and if you found this useful, please do like and subscribe and comment and all the good stuff. It's much appreciated. Take care and speak soon.